5-minute shelter. Done. Alright guys, so real quick, just look at what I did. Was just a simple ridge line, some Prison Knox already on the ridge line, bowl the knot on the end of your rope here, feed it through, get about halfway through, cinch it down there on the tree, work like this, and there you go. You got a lean-to shelter. Alright guys, so there you go. Just a quick ridgeline setup, guys. I have everything pre-set up pretty much with the prusik knots on the ridgeline as well. And this shelter right here, guys, I can feel the convective breeze coming from the west here, guys. Oh, it's so nice right now. I've had a fire right now, kind of somewhere out in front of me, so the smoke's not blowing in. But I got the radiant heat from the fire reflecting back down from me from the Mylar type right here, or vice versa if I want to keep cooler. This is a good fair weather shelter, guys. It's lean-to. But yeah, just a good skill to know and practice. Practice, practice, please. And always, guys, stay frosty, prep up. God bless.